KEC60 in Milwaukee. The current time is 5:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of east central Wisconsin, south central Wisconsin, and southeast Wisconsin. For tonight, accumulating snow is ongoing across southern Wisconsin. Wet snow and steady snowfall rates are expected to cause difficult travel conditions into early evening. Snow will transition to drizzle or freezing drizzle before ending late this evening. A winter weather advisory is in effect for all of southern Wisconsin. Areas of dense fog may develop this evening into the overnight due to light winds and lingering moisture. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Tuesday. Accumulating snow is possible for New Year's Day. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed, although snowfall reports would be appreciated. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the open waters of Lake Michigan. For tonight, breezy southeast winds over southern Lake Michigan will expand northward through this evening. Wind gusts will remain below gale force. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Tuesday. Gusty northerly winds are expected for New Year's Day. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the nearshore waters from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. For tonight, a small craft advisory is in effect tonight for high waves as a result of breezy southeast winds. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Tuesday. Gusty northerly winds are expected for New Year's Day. Here is information on a winter weather advisory for the following counties in Wisconsin: Jefferson, Kenosha, Racine, and Walworth. What? Snow and then mixed precipitation expected. Additional snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches and ice accumulations of a light glaze. Where? Portions of south central and southeast Wisconsin. When? Until midnight Central Standard Time tonight. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening commute. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Here is information on a winter weather advisory for the following counties in Wisconsin: Dodge, Fond du Lac, Milwaukee, Ozaukee, Sheboygan, Washington, and Waukesha. What? Snow and then mixed precipitation expected. Additional snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches and ice accumulations of a light glaze. Where? Portions of east central, south central, and southeast Wisconsin. When? Until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening commute. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for southeast Wisconsin, including Milwaukee, Waukesha, and Jefferson. Late this afternoon, snow. Snow may be heavy at times. New snow accumulation around 1 inch. East winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of snow 90%. Tonight, cloudy. Patchy fog in the evening. Areas of fog early in the evening. Patchy fog early in the morning. Drizzle, light snow, and chance of light freezing drizzle through around midnight. Slight chance of light rain and light freezing rain after midnight. Little snow accumulation. Lows in the lower 20s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour shifting to the west after midnight. Chance of precipitation 90%. Wednesday, mostly cloudy. Patchy fog in the morning. A 20% chance of light snow late in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 20s. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Wednesday night, cloudy. Slight chance of light snow in the evening, then chance of light snow late in the evening. Slight chance of light snow after midnight. Near steady temperature around 19. North winds up to 5 miles an hour. Chance of snow 50%. Thursday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. Northeast winds up to 5 miles an hour shifting to the south in the afternoon. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Southwest winds up to 10 miles an hour. Friday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the mid-30s. Friday night, cloudy with a 50% chance of light snow. Lows around 19. New Year's Day, cloudy. Light snow likely in the morning, then chance of light snow in the afternoon. Light snow accumulations. Highs in the mid-20s. Chance of snow 60%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of light snow through around midnight, then partly cloudy after midnight. Colder. Lows around 4. Sunday, mostly sunny. Colder. Highs around 15. Sunday night and Monday, mostly clear. Not as cold. Lows around 4. Highs in the mid-20s. Monday night and Tuesday, partly cloudy. Lows around 14. Highs in the lower 30s. Again, the forecast for southeast Wisconsin, including Milwaukee, Waukesha, and Jefferson. For late this afternoon, snow. Snow may be heavy at times. New snow accumulation around 1 inch. East winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of snow 90%. The 5 p.m. weather observations across Wisconsin and nearby states. At Milwaukee, light rain was falling. The temperature was 37 degrees, the dew point 33, and the relative humidity was 85%. The winds were east at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 23. The pressure was 29.65 inches and steady. At Kenosha, light rain was falling, and it was 37. In Racine, light rain was falling, and 38. At Waukesha, snow was falling, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile, and 30. In West Bend, light snow was falling. The temperature was 32. At Madison, light snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1 mile, and 32. In the Dells, snow was falling, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile, and 24. At La Crosse, fog was reported, and it was 24. At Dubuque, fog was reported, and it was 33. In Waterloo, fog was reported, and 33. In Green Bay, light snow and fog were reported, and 22. At Eagle River, light snow was falling. The temperature was 21. At South Bend, it was cloudy, and 35. In Chicago, light snow and drizzle were reported, and 35. At St. Louis, it was cloudy, and 47. At Des Moines, it was partly cloudy, and 34. At the Twin Cities, light snow was falling, and 21. Once again, at Milwaukee, it was 37, with light rain. A few marine observations. At the Sheboygan Lakeshore, the air temperature was 34. The winds were east at 18 knots, gusting to 19. At the Port Washington Lakeshore, the air temperature was 37. The winds were east at 14 knots, gusting to 16. At the Milwaukee Lakeshore, the air temperature was 37. The winds were east at 17 knots, gusting to 19. At the Kenosha Harbor, the air temperature was 37. The winds were east at 18 knots, gusting to 22. Here is the nearshore marine forecast. Small craft advisory in effect until 3 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. Tonight, east wind 15 to 20 knots with gusts to around 25 knots veering southeast late in the evening, then becoming south 10 to 15 knots after midnight veering west early in the morning. Rain and slight chance of snow in the evening, then chance of rain late in the evening. Slight chance of drizzle after midnight. Patchy fog late in the evening. Waves 3 to 4 feet. Wednesday, west wind 10 to 15 knots with gusts to around 20 knots veering northwest late in the afternoon. Mostly cloudy. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Wednesday night, northwest wind 10 to 15 knots easing to 5 to 10 knots late in the evening, then veering north after midnight. Chance of snow through the night. Waves around 1 foot. Thursday, northeast wind 5 to 10 knots veering south late in the afternoon. Mostly cloudy. Waves around 1 foot. Wave heights are for ice-free areas. Here is the forecast for the open waters of Lake Michigan. Lake Michigan forecast beyond 5 nautical miles from shore south half tonight. East winds 15 to 25 knots veering to southwest 10 to 20 knots. Snow with a chance of rain this evening, then slight chance of rain overnight. Waves 3 to 5 feet. Wednesday, west winds 10 to 20 knots becoming northwest. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Wednesday night, north winds 10 to 20 knots becoming northeast 10 to 15 knots. Chance of snow in the evening, then chance of snow and rain overnight. Waves 2 to 4 feet subsiding to 1 to 3 feet. Thursday, east winds 5 to 10 knots becoming south. Waves 1 to 2 feet. The Milwaukee, Wisconsin climate summary for this evening, as of 4 p.m., December 28, 2021. Today's high temperature of 37 degrees occurred at 3:04 p.m. This high was 4 degrees above the normal high of 33. The record high is 62 degrees, which was set in 1984. Today's low temperature of 27 degrees occurred at 6:42 a.m. This low was 7 degrees above the normal low of 20. The record low is -20 degrees, which was set in 1880. 0.22 inches of precipitation fell today, which brings the monthly total to 2.11 inches. This is 0.40 inches above the normal amount of 1.71 inches for December. The total precipitation for the season since December 1st now stands at 2.11 inches, which is 0.40 inches above normal. The total precipitation for the year is now 23.81 inches, which is 10.59 inches below normal. A trace of snow fell today, which leaves the monthly total at 1.6 inches. The total snowfall for the season since December 1st now stands at 1.6 inches, and the total snowfall since July 1st now is 1.6 inches. The normal high temperature for tomorrow is 33 degrees, and the normal low is 20. The record high for tomorrow is 62, which occurred in 1984, and the record low is -21, which occurred in 1880. Sunset tonight is at 4:25 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:22 a.m. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC60 in Milwaukee. The current time is 5:32 p.m. Central Standard Time.